Hey there, Wall Street winners. It is Thursday, June the 12th, and a question came in about what is an IPO. And an IPO is known as an initial public offering. And initial public offerings can be quite risky because it's the day in which a company goes from being a private company to being a publicly traded company on a stock exchange. And I'm looking at a company today, Chime Financial, that is about to go public and be listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange. So it hasn't started trading yet. Oftentimes, public offerings, IPOs, do not start trading at the open at 9:30, but they start somewhere throughout the day, and that can usually be found in the prospectus, but it's often 11 or noon or 1 o'clock. It's usually some midpoint throughout the day. Not sure how that's chosen. I can look into that for you if you're interested, but this is one company about to IPO, and oftentimes on an IPO, when the market is hot, and I'd say we've gone back into a hot market, not for any good economics reason or business reason, just because momentum more than anything else, and a bit of a recovery, an initial, I'm going to say early, not delayed recovery, but early recovery from the tariffs because they've been delayed and postponed for the 90 days. I think we're coming to a point where that could all change and we may lose the momentum that we have. But today, when a company IPOs and the market is hot, it usually pops. And that's what we're expecting with Chime Financial today. It's probably going to open in the $40, $42 range, if I had to guess. And then it could go up from there. We've had a few other IPOs recently that have doubled on the first day, but they also have the potential to drop. So there is a lot of risk associated with them. They're usually not making money. Oftentimes, they could be fairly early startup kind of company that has managed to go public. They've hit certain thresholds and allowed themselves to get a listing on the NASDAQ. If they're a tech company, this is a fintech, obviously. So keep an eye out for that. But that's what an IPO is. It's the day that a public company goes private. If you like the videos, please hit the like and subscribe button.